Hello. Welcome guys. This is another video posted on my channel. I make videos on how to make money online and I post every day. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this if you like this video. Well, this video is about cryptocurrency. This website is called ecoin.org. This website is a new cryptocurrency which needs a lot of users, so its exchange rate can be high, its conversion rate can be high. Right now, 500 ecoin is equivalent to $3.03. So that means when it gets to a billion users, its potential worth will be $1 for 1 ecoin, which means if you can save up to 1,000 ecoin, if you can save up to 100,000 ecoins, you have $100,000 on your wallet. You can withdraw it at any time, even without getting to 1 billion users. You can withdraw it. And ecoin is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies right now. It's new, they have a lot of users. They just turned 3 million not too long ago. So okay, on this website you can earn from referrals, instant transfer, which means you can transfer your ecoin to users right after sign up. It says here interest on your ecoin when you save, so you get interest on your ecoin. Additional earnings, that is your ecoin interest. Withdraw them when you need, which means you can withdraw at any time. So all you have to do is invite friends, talk more about it, get your affiliate link out there and make sure people sign up. Just tell them more about it, and it's very great cryptocurrency. So right now we're going to sign up. Okay, right here is another script on how ecoin works. It works well though, so you don't have to read this. It's just a normal manuscript. So let's skip this part and go to the sign up. That would be great. Okay, it says welcome to ecoin. Earn ecoin by signing up. Get 10%, 15% interest on your savings. So right now we're gonna sign up with our Gmail, or you can sign up with your email and your username and fill them out once. But I think the Gmail part is good. Okay, all you have to do right now is grant access to ecoin so that you can take your password and verify your account. It's not going to take any of your personal data though. Okay, so right now, if you do not want to do this, you just want to make money while sleeping, all you have to do is use my #1 recommendation. It's referred to a lot, so many people have used it and made thousands of dollars. Okay, right now we are dashboard, affiliate. It's pretty much, I love it. It has a good layout. Okay, we have a welcome message. Okay, this is their goal. So our goal at ecoin is achieving mass adoption by making crypto accessible to everyone. It's really good. Press the confirm button and begin right away. And you can also become an ecoin for life. That means they send you every opportunity you get. They send you notification for every opportunity you get to get for airdrops. Okay, confirm that. Congrats, you earned the title ecoiner for life. This is great actually. And you can also import your contacts to invite your friends on your phone. This is just another airdrop opportunity. All you have to do right now is go up to this platform. If you go below, you see a button there. All you have to, it says go to airdrops. All you have to do is complete their criteria, then you can earn. You can start earning right away. Okay, that's all. I click on go to airdrops. As you can see, there are various airdrops opportunity, but you have to read out their tags, know what it's all about before you click on clips, please. Okay, this you're not eligible. Thank you. So go to the next one, which is more fast airdrop special focus, funded by Team Duffer. Okay, you can claim airdrops first 5,000 users. I think this one we are eligible for this one. Claim successfully. Wow, this is simple. Okay, this is nice. Start trading with free 500 free tokens. You are invited to more fast. More for. Good. Okay, I'm signing up here. Add your email, the same email you used to register, and start earning. Okay, this is your account status. Coronavirus charity bills, you have 75 ecoin. You can also link your Telos wallet. If you don't have one, create a new one, download it from Play Store so that you can get interest when you save up your ecoins. This is your referral link. You can see at the left side of your dashboard, you will see your layouts where you can choose what you want to do on the site. So it's pretty much simple to use. So when any of your referrals signs up, you get a bonus, and you can withdraw instantly to your PayPal account. So as I said earlier, if you don't want to do this, check my #1 description, my #1 recommendation below in the description, and make a lot of money. This has been on for a very long time. People have been using it. Some great YouTubers have made thousands and thousands of dollars even without posting videos. Even on their beds, they make thousands of dollars. All you have to do is check out my #1 recommendation in the description below and use my referral link so that you can also get bonuses. Okay, you can grab your referral link here, just copy it, then you can paste it on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Invite friends from your Gmail, invite friends from your workplace. It's as simple as that. So that's all you have to do. You have so many airdrops. You can make money from this website if you don't want to do referrals, but I recommend you use my #1 recommendation below so you can make thousands of dollars. If you have not made any money online, this is the simplest way, so check it out. and make sure to give it a trial. You can also check out my other videos on how to make money. If you do not want to use my number one recommendation, check out my other videos that are interesting. Okay, this is on how it works. Questions and answers. If you don't understand anything in this video, or you don't understand what I've been saying, when you use the link below in the description on this website, you can come to this frequently asked question and clear all that you don't know. Find out everything about the ecoin. So